Welcome to the Cardinal Commentary for the fixed income portfolios. Our bond portfolios had a solid year in 2024, outperforming the benchmark, thanks to our overweighting in short-term maturities, which did well, and underweighting in long-term maturities, which did not. Of course, much of the bond market performance can be tied to the actions of the Bank of Canada, which lowered its overnight rate 5 times in 2024, plus once more in January, bringing it down to 3%. The overnight rate influences short-term rates such as prime, variable rate mortgages, and short-term bond yields. The 3-year Government of Canada Treasury bills went from more than 5% at the start of 2024 to just over 3% by December. On the long end, the 30-year version increased by about 30 basis points to 3.33%. This combination had a steepening effect on the yield curve, flipping it from inverted to positive for the first time in more than 2 years. During normal times, this type of activity bodes well for the Canadian economy, but these are far from normal times. The impact of President Trump's trade war with Canada, Mexico, and China is a definite wildcard that could have far-reaching effects on inflation, interest rates, the loonie, and more. President and Chief Investment Officer Evan Manser says it's important for investors to keep a level head.
Well, certainly the most questions we've been getting from clients is obviously on tariffs. The other argument that people have worried about is that if Canada goes to war with the U.S. in a trade war, the U.S. is bigger and it'll win and Canada will suffer. But we don't look at it that way. We look at it as Canada's not the only country in this position. There's Mexico, there's China, there's all of Europe. And so the U.S. loses too. I think there could be some concessions as there were last time, but I don't think it's going to have a major negative effect. That's our position now. We'll be watching, of course, like everybody else.
And all of this demonstrates our commitment to clients, a common sense path to long-term wealth, because it works. And that's the Cardinal Commentary for the fixed income portfolios. Thanks for joining us.